Okay. I might have to try to use my other phone. No, not even be able to do a video. Good God, my shirt is dirty. Look at that. That is from me taking the motor off. But I think I had to delete the last one I just did. I'm gonna try to do this quick because I don't know how much storage I've got on here. Motor's locked up. Probably cheap piston in it. I'm able to, when I pulled the clutch cover side off because the guy said he thought that there might have been something hung in there or broke gears because it was locked up. So I pulled it off hoping to get lucky, but I didn't. There's a little hole right there for oil to come over here into the clutches and stuff like that. I looked in there, the piston is down at the bottom and you can see it's split, like it's busted. But and I'm pretty sure that the crank is slung apart too, because I found needle bearings down in the bottom over here, when I took the side cover off. So I've took one cradle off. It looked alright. The half moon piece looked alright. Working on the other piece. Maybe we can get lucky. Maybe we can get lucky. I'm hoping that the valve train ain't bad. From the looks of it, this. Uh-oh, I'm dripping oil. My cradle cap looks fine too. Half moon piece looks alright. Cam had a little sludge. I thought it was a burn mark for a minute. Now, I don't know if this bike jump time, like I said, the motor was locked down, so there was no turning the motor over to find anything out, nothing like that. So, man, I hope I've got enough storage on that. And this bike was just recently built. We're gonna let it drop. Canton timing chain looks fine. But I don't know if you can see, cams look alright, both of them, intake and exhaust. And a plus that the cradle had oil in it. Let's see. Oh man, I'm hoping that this is good. The battery's probably dead. Yep, battery's dead. I knew it. Oh no, it's out in the truck. I'm over here knocking everything off. Alright, the head bolts are tight. Okay. You take boyfriend to pick up one of those with one arm. I'm sorry, this will drive me crazy if I don't clean it up. Oops, excuse me. And if you can hear the music, don't own the rights to it. It ain't my music. It's just Spotify playing and just random things playing. Country, rock, hip hop, rap. I don't know if I said rap already. Alright, let's see. Give it a little battery.
This fall, choose professionally powerful Echo outdoor power equipment to tackle the toughest cleanup jobs. Echo blowers, chainsaws, and string trimmers deliver industry-leading power to handle the tallest tasks in the shortest time. And time is running out. Visit Echo-USA.com.
Oh, I don't have nothing hanging right, nothing right
Find an
now.
Echo dealer near you. Echo, power on and on. Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology
Oh, I got the washer.
finds and invites qualified candidates to
One
apply to
head
your
bolt.
job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at
I don't understand why there's like
Spotify. That's ZipRecruiter.com/.
there's grease on everything. I bet you this is one of them guys that put grease in the bearings. I bet. No wonder it burn up. I don't know if you can do that or not. I wouldn't suggest it. I mean, good old regular motor oil, lube it up, put it in the damn thing. Look, there's grease on everything. Then that was outside bolt. It's an inside bolt. Can you see that? Lord have mercy. No, I have no stand. I'm not going to Walmart to buy one of them little things and everybody look at me all funny. At least I feel like they would be anyway.
I'm just trying to get back the feeling. You ain't felt this vibe in like a minute. They talk a bunch, but you don't really feel it. Cause these niggas ain't the ones that really live it. These niggas talking crazy, but we know. These bitches talking crazy, but we know. They ain't been for what's about to go. Nah, nigga, they ain't been for what's about to go. I just wanna coast through New York like it's 92, 1990, white Lambo Rambo like Mike Tyson do. Trying to get that feeling back, they sippin' and they poppin' too. Swerving with the mission rope, stuff the ceiling. Oh Lord, where's the ceiling?
I swear I'm forgetful sometimes. And I loosen these before I start the video.
Swag up, New York taught me that man up. No love, middle finger up. Life fucked my grandma. Corner store where J's on. Cold stairs, no manners. Fuck you and your whole crew. No flags here, just hammers. No gang, if niggas move, they move on. You so low, so low. You in the wind, spill red all in your polo. Goddamn. I'm just trying to give you back the feeling.
Thank
You
Lord.
felt this vibing like a minute. They talk a bunch, but you don't really feel it. Cause these niggas ain't the ones that really live
Dude,
it.
these
Niggas
get me
talking
beat up or
crazy, but we
something.
know. These bitches talking crazy, but we know.
Well,
They ain't been for what's about to go. Nah, nigga, they ain't been for what's about to go.
I'm gonna say, is that in there backwards?
Like it's 92,
Alright.
1990, white Lambo Rambo.
Thank God, the head is good so far. I haven't pulled the shin bucket yet, so far the video is still going, so we're gonna keep going. Actually, I'll be right back.